am VASUDHA from Sunbeam Annapurna School, Varanasi. I am watering the plants. I am thinking how plants can drink water. You all know that plants need water to grow. It is needed by all parts of the plant, even top parts of it. But do you know how it reaches to the top of the plant? I can tell you. But why don't you see yourself by doing an experiment? Things to be needed: a glass, a vibrant color, some water, a spoon, and a flower stick. Take a glass, pour some water, and add vibrant color. And mix it well. Now I will put a flower stick. Now, one thing I forgot to tell. That is patience. You have to keep like this for one full day, as I have already kept yesterday. Now can you see that? Color of the leaf and petal has changed. And it is absorbed by the stem and reaches to the top of the plant. In this way, water reaches to the all parts of the plant. Hope you have learned how water reaches to the top of the plant.